Welcome to the episode of Being Industry Prepared. Today we have with us Mrs. Rupa Sharma, Zonal HR, HDB Finance. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
I am Mr. Afnan Sarang, core member of Placement Sales Students Club. So today I'm gonna ask you two of my questions. That first is, what are the career prospects in BFSI sectors for finance students?
Uh, to talk about BSFI sector, there is a huge scope for all the students. It's not only limited. I mean, you have various job opportunities. You can go into branch banking. You can go into lending. You can go into collection centers. So there are a lot of options available in the market. Specifically, if I talk about BSFI sector. So it depends on you which sector or where do you want to make your career.
Thank you, ma'am. My second question will be, what are the attributes you look in freshers for selecting?
I basically take care of a call center which is based out of in Navi Mumbai. So we are into two verticals. One is banking collections and one is our in-house collections. Since HDB Financial Services is an leading NBFC, so we are also into lending business. So we have our own customer base as well. So we do collections for both HDFC customers and HDB customers. And so while we shortlist candidates, what we look at is a basic communication skills and attitude to learn. Uh, Other than that, we do not look or we do not expect much uh, from any person who is willing to work with us. All what we need is a right attitude and a willingness to learn.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much.
Thank you for sharing your valuable time and
Thank you.
thoughts.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you so much.
We recently have a highly insightful session with Mrs. Rupa Sharma, Zonal HR, HDB Finance.
She also shares some crucial advice to all the finance students looking to build a career in BFSI sector.
First of all, the good news is Mrs. Sharma has confirmed there is a huge scope for the freshers in banking, financial services, and insurance sector.
HDB Finance being a leading BFSI across all regions, key verticals like branch banking, collection centers, and insurance.
The main advice is your career paths depends entirely on where you want to make your career and your own interest.
Second and most importantly, what does HR looks for in a fresher? Mrs. Sharma was very clear. HDB Finance do not accept in-depth technological knowledge about students.
They primarily focus on two negotiable attributes. First is the basic communication skills, and the second is the right attitude to learn.
If you have the willingness and the attitude, then they are ready to invest in training you.
So it is mandate for all of us to focus on our communication skills and to build a attitude for facing the interviews.
Thanks to Mrs. Sharma for her valuable insights. We will be using these outputs in our next placement readiness. So stay tuned for our details. Thank you.